qualifying child test. In this video, we are going to learn what are the 5 rules of 5 tests of a qualifying child. So the first one is relationship test. The child has to be someone who is related to you. Example, the child must be your son, daughter, or your daughter, stepchild, stepbrother, sister, half brother or half sister, maybe dependents of them or descendants of them. That is clear. And the second one is age test. In age, they must be under 19, less than 19 years old. The child must be less than 19 years old. And the second case is less than 24. If the child is full-time student. If he is a full-time student, then he will be qualifying. Third one is, regardless of any age, if the child is disabled, if the child is permanently disabled, if the child is permanently disabled, then he will be qualifying for a qualifying child. And the third test is residency test. In residency test, the child has to be supposed to be living with you for more than half of the year. There are some exceptions. If he's going to military service or vacation or holidays, something like that, it's okay. But if they are going out of the country for more than 6 months for vacation purpose, then they might not qualify for a residency test. Basically, in the residency test, if the child is qualified the both relationship test and age test, they have to live with you for more than half a year. And fourth one is support test. In support test, for suppose when the kid grows older, 12 to 13 years old, they might be babysitting, they might be doing some part-time job, and they might be making some money. But if the if the parent is supporting more than half of their financial requirements, like for housing, food, education, and all, then he will be the child will be qualifying. More than 50% of the finance is supported by parents. Then they will be qualifying. And fifth one is fifth one is a bit complicated, but it's okay. These are the important tests which are required. Mostly these cases only. Fifth case that is rare, but this is how we do for a qualifying child test.